Okay, hello everybody. So today's session is all about paragraph writing. Okay, so you all are very familiar with what is writing, right? So, like when we are asked to write about something, for example, we need to write about rain, right? So, if I ask you to write about rain, so many of them may write like the features of rain, or somebody may write what is rain. Somebody may go scientifically, like rain is a combination of water drops and all these things. Some may go poetic, right? Some may follow their own words to write it down, right? But usually, when you write, you need to follow certain order, right? So whenever you want to write, especially in the form of a paragraph, so you need to follow a certain structure. You cannot write in unscattered manner, right? So let me just highlight today, okay, a few points when you are writing or framing the data into the paragraph, right? Okay, so what is a paragraph all about? Okay, a paragraph is nothing but what? It is a briefing, right? It is a briefing, okay, of a certain topic, right? So here we may have 7 to 10 sentences in a paragraph, right? 7 to 10 sentences or long 7 to 10 sentences might be there framing a paragraph. Okay, so initially we may have a startup with a topic sentence, right? And in between you may have the supportive or the detailing sentences, right? So those might be along 5 to 6 of the long sentences. Okay, and at the end you may have a concluding sentence, right? So but what is all a paragraph writing about, right? You should learn the skill how to write a paragraph. So learning this skill is all about what? Learning how to structure your data into one paragraph, right? So let me tell you about few points, right? Okay, so it has got a specific structure as I told you. This structure consists of 5 sentences. Okay, so initially it is the topic sentence. We have 3 supporting sentences. Okay, and we also have a concluding sentence, right? Let us take an example saying what? Health is wealth. Okay, so suppose we want to start writing about this in the form of paragraph. So how will you write the topic sentence? The first topic sentence should be, okay, health is considered as wealth. If health is there, everything is there, right? So this may be your topic sentence. Then this should have some supportive sentences, right? So what does this supportive sentence will include? It will include some details like why health is wealth, or how you can say that the health is wealth, what factors you follow to improve or to maintain your health in a good way. All these things you can include as a supportive sentences, right? And then finally there should be a concluding sentence. So what is a concluding sentence? Saying that yes, hence we can say that health is wealth, right? So while writing a paragraph you need to follow these 5 basic steps, right? And along with that you need to follow some indents, spaces, right, fonts, colors, right? You should not make it more complicated, right? You should not make it more like filled with lot of unnecessary data, or using different like so many colors over in there. There's no need, right? So keep it a default, right? Keep it in a quiet and simple way, right? Readable, easy form which can be easily read, okay, and which can be easily understood as well, right? So basically this structure is divided into 5 elements. What are those? Okay, first thing I told you, that is a topic sentence, right? And second, we need to follow a set of supportive sentences, right, which are interrelated. So the information should be interrelated, right? You cannot like for example, you're talking about health is wealth and suddenly you started talking about some another topic, that is wealth. Why? What is wealth, or how you can focus on wealth, right? So we cannot do like that, right? So your sentences should be interrelated, right? And what is needed there? Completeness. Okay, you should end up with a concluding statement, right? Now this is a way, right? This is all about what? How to frame these 5 elements, right? So begin with an idea, right? Every paragraph should have a detailing and it should be related to the main topic, right? Follow a correct chronological order, right? You cannot like follow any mismatch order over there. You have to follow a proper order of sentences, okay? And the sentences should be logically related, and you should get a precise explanation about the topic, right? It should be easily understandable, or you can say that we are able to convey our message through this paragraph to the reader, right? See, so these are the possible ways how to organize, right? I told you that again, you have to write after the topic sentence, you have to go for what, right? You have to go for what, that is detailed sentences, right? Or I told you like detailing, right? You have to go for detailing. So in that detailing, okay, you can go for these possible ways, like narration, description of the topic, right? You can tell about, suppose I want to tell you about mangoes, right? So you can start with the narration that like mango is the favorite fruit of most of the people, right? So I want to tell about its description now. There are different types of mangoes which are available in our country, right? Mangoes are also available worldwide, right? Yeah, so we are talking about its description, right? Every mango has got a different color, different taste, right? A different smell, different flair, that is different flavor, right? So now process, what will you talk about process, right? So you can tell about like initially there are different seasons in which we get different mangoes. Initially it takes almost 4 to 6 months of process, right, for a mango to get ripe and easy to consume, right? So in this way you can take few examples and you can write in, okay, or cover in the data into your paragraph, okay? Now see one example over here. So like we'll follow the steps. So what is first one? What is the topic sentence, right? Topic sentence, right? So what it is exactly the first sentence in the paragraph. It introduces the main idea of a paragraph, right? It introduces about what all about, right? What is included in this paragraph, okay? See here, what is the first line here? Canada is one of the biggest, that is best countries in the world to live in, right? So this is our topic sentence here, right? Then we have supporting details, right? So the sentences which will tell us or provide us more detailing or information about the first line, that is Canada, right? See, Canada is one of the best countries in the world to live in, right? This is our topic sentence, followed by the supporting sentences saying Canada has excellent healthcare system. All Canadians have access to medical services at a reasonable price. Second, Canada has a high standard of education. Students are taught by well-trained teachers and are encouraged to continue studying at university. Finally, Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. Canadian cities have many parks and lots of space for people to live in, right? So these all are the supportive sentences, or here you can use all the possible ways for organizing your data, right? And then coming back to the closing sentence. So what is the closing sentence here? Closing sentence is that Canada is a desirable place to live in, right? Yes. So in this way, like these are the basic ways, or you can say the basic steps, okay, of organizing your paragraph, right? So please go through the details, right? And just try to write, okay, few examples, right? So in the next session, in the continued session, I will give you some links where you can see some different types of paragraphs and you can go through them, okay? All right.